Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your logo 3D for your team or yourself on Adobe Photoshop. And this is just how I do my own, so there might be better ways to do this, but anyway, let's just get into it. So I already have a logo right here. I made this for another tutorial I never posted. Let me go ahead and turn the effects off. So the first thing you're going to do is go right click the layer and go to new 3D extrusion from selected layer, and this will make it 3D. This is Photoshop's built-in 3D workspace. You're going to go ahead and turn off cat shadows and turn off cast shadows, and I'm going to leave the extrusion depth what it is, but anyway, let's move on to the next part. So go ahead and click the white part of the logo and or the 2D part, and go ahead and click this ball right here. This will be your material, and go ahead and select this yellow one right here, and go ahead and put the glow all the way up. Now go ahead and click the 3D part, go ahead and click that ball again, go ahead and scroll down to see this yellow one, and this one you're going to make red because it's a contrast to yellow. And then go ahead and put the glow on that all the way up too. Now we're going to go back to our layers. So from 3D, go over to the layers, right click, and do render 3D layer. Now this will take, depending on your PC, it will take about maybe 2 minutes to 5 minutes. If you have a slower computer, it might take a little longer, but yeah. Alright, now that that's complete, we're going to right click the layer and rasterize it. That will make it just a normal layer again. And then you're going to go over here to your tools, go ahead and select the magic wand tool, and you're going to select the yellow part. So go ahead and select the yellow, and then right click and go to layer via copy. You'll see 2D part is now its own layer. Now this will be different depending on the logo. However, I have two yellow parts of it. So you're going to go to that original layer and click the other yellow part. For me, it's the H right here. Right click, and then go to layer via copy. And you'll see that the 2D part is now separated from the 3D part, and this will act as our bottom layer. So what you're going to do is go ahead and hold shift and click the again, this is depending on how many you have to make, but go ahead and just combine them. So you're going to right click and go to merge layers, and now you'll see it's two separate layers. Alright, and then go ahead and right click the top layer, go to blending options, color overlay. For me, it's already it's on color, but you're going to put it to normal. Go ahead and pick the color, make it you don't have to make it white, go ahead and make it like a light, very light gray, and push OK. And then for the other layer, the original 3D layer, you're going to do the same steps. So right click, go to blending options, color overlay, and this one you're going to make a darker gray. Just like that. Push OK. And then we're going to right click the layer again and do rasterize layer style. And then while we're at it, let's rename it to 2D. And then for the bottom one, we're going to do the same thing. So right click it, go to rasterize layer style, and then let's rename it to 3D. Now here's where you can experiment a little bit, just see what looks better, because this kind of depends on the logo. You're going to make it so it just appears a little nicer. So before you do that though, go ahead and find an image you'd like. I made another video on how to do this, but we'll do it real quick. Go to File, Place Embedded. We'll use this one. Find an image you like, place it, then create a clipping mask. We're just going to do the 2D part for now, so go ahead and right click on 2D, and then go to I normally like an outer glow on it, however I like it white. Let's go ahead and make this size a little smaller. Drop shadow, it's always good too, and inner glow is nice too. I actually kind of like that. Yeah, so this is kind of where you'll just be doing this yourself. You need to experiment with it a little bit, see what you like. Alright, so now go ahead and we'll do the same thing on the 3D layer. So right click it, go to blending options, put on some drop shadow. Do some inner glow, just a little bit, maybe some inner shadow too. And then for this, you're going to click on the effects and go to satin. I kind of like that right there. Then let's go ahead, we'll duplicate our clipping mask. Then you'll see right there that our logo is done. It looks good. You know, I'm happy with it. It looks really nice. Then from here we can go edit, free transform. Make it just a little smaller. And there you go. There's your, that's how you make, how I make my logos from 2D to 3D. And I use this to make team PSD files, and I've used it for myself a few times. But it is nice when you can see a logo really come to life being 3D and being able to use the clipping mask and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do want to apologize for the video being a little choppy in the way it was edited. I haven't designed like this in a while, so you know, it felt like a new experience for me too in a way. However, everything I did, I made sure to show you guys, and I'll be doing another video to show you guys how to theme it as well. However, if you enjoyed the video, stay tuned because I have some more planned, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.